I used to think talking more made me look confident. So everywhere I went, I kept explaining myself, joking too much, talking too much, trying too hard. But slowly, I noticed something strange. The more I talked, the less people listened. Meanwhile, the quiet person in the room barely said anything, yet somehow everyone respected him more. That's when I realized something painful. Weak people reveal everything. Their plans, their emotions, their insecurities. I was constantly checking my phone, waiting for replies, waiting for validation, waiting to feel important. But powerful people understand something different. Silence creates control. The less they reveal, the harder they are to read. And mystery naturally attracts attention. I started noticing how much I overshared. Every conversation became emotional. Every thought needed approval from someone else. Some nights, I'd type long emotional messages, trying to explain myself to people who barely cared. That's the trap most people never notice. We confuse attention with respect, and usually, the weaker person explains more. The calmer person rarely needs to. I watched emotionally strong people walk away from arguments instead of trying to win every conversation. That's when reality finally hit me. Every time I talked too much, I slowly lost respect. I remembered all the embarrassing moments, oversharing, over-explaining, trying too hard to be understood. I started listening more, talking less, observing quietly. And strangely, people became more interested in me because silence creates presence. People pay attention to what feels rare. For the first time in a long time, I felt emotionally in control instead of emotionally exposed. I realized not every thought deserves to be spoken. Not every emotion deserves an audience. Strong people protect their energy carefully. Weak people give it away constantly. And the quieter I became, the more people respected me. Less talking, more observing, less explaining, more discipline. I finally understood something powerful. Real power rarely screams for attention. It moves quietly.
Most people stay weak because they never control themselves. But every small habit, every quiet decision changes who you become. Subscribe to 2% Growth. Less noise, more discipline, more power.